Hello internet world, let's do an unboxing of OnePlus 8 Pro. When I received this box, I was quite shocked at how tall it is. I mean, this is huge. This is Amazon Echo Red, and you can see this is even taller than Echo Red. I mean, this is monstrously huge. I don't know why they have done that. It's quite big footprint, but yeah, it looks nice. Other than that, yeah, I quite like it. So yeah, now without further ado, so let's peel off the wrapping. Oh look, this is quite nice. It has a peel out, so you don't need a knife anymore, so you can just peel it out. Let's just do that. Ooh, come on, come on. All right, okay. That didn't go very well. Look. Alright, so I might just need, okay, no, let's just do that. Alright, go there, let's see, don't need that anymore. Ooh, well, I mean, you have already seen, I'm 2 months late anyway. You have already seen all that unboxing, but I didn't have the chance to get the phone when it was released. Just after the release, it was out of stock, and now it's back in stock in Amazon. And one thing that I would like to point out that all the reviews so far that I've watched, they've all mentioned one thing, that is quite tall device, but compared to with my iPhone, it's not that big. I mean, obviously my iPhone is in its own battery case, but if we take it out of the battery case and if you compare it to side by side, as you can see, it's not that tall. Probably half an inch. Yeah, I mean, it's not that wide as well. It's quite actually easy to handle, much easier in your hand. I quite like it because iPhone is a bit wider, and I find it quite difficult sometimes, when I'm traveling about, commuting to work and stuff like that. But yeah, compared to my iPhone, this is actually really nice. Now let's see what else do we have in the box. There's nothing there, it's totally empty. Alright, we take this out. There is, looks like there's some sort of alright, this is probably going to be okay. There's a SIM ejector and there's some other literature inside it, so I'm not going to actually go through them at the moment. There's no need for that. Alright, inside we do have a case which says never settle. There you go. So obviously that's probably their warp charging cable. Yeah, alright, there you go. And yeah, there's the 30-watt warp charger, I suppose. I think. Yeah, that's it, I guess. There's nothing else. There you go. What I'm actually interested in to find out that does it have a screen protector or not. So yeah, it does have a screen protector. There you go. So I've seen in other reviews that there is no screen protector, but there is a screen protector, as you can see. But the thing is, it actually doesn't cover the, it's not 100% coverage. There's a gap around the edges of the screen. You might probably have to get a third-party screen protector and slap it on the phone. But yeah, it's better than nothing. Let's turn it on. See. Okay, the build quality, before I turn it on, the build quality is looks nice. I mean, it is after all an IP68 certified, which is water and dust resistance. I hope this is the power button. Yeah. Well, this is not such a huge device. I mean, my hand is not that big, but but it's very, very comfy. I'm telling you, it's very comfy to hold the phone. My God, compared to my iPhone, it's very, very handy. Wow, very nice. Look at this. It perfectly in grip. Very easy to make a phone call as well, like this. So yeah, compared to next to my iPhone SX Max, it's not that huge. As you can see, let me bring it here. So it's not that huge. Well, the screen so far so good. It looks nice. I'm not going to go through the setup process at the moment. Yeah, probably I'll do another video sometime later this week. So yeah, thanks for watching anyway, guys, and please subscribe, and if you like it, hit that like button. Take care. I see you later.